Made from black rice, prepared in two ways, these delicious black rice puris are rich in fiber and gluten-free. Welcome to Water Gravy. To prepare the black rice flour powder, also called as Karuppu Kavuni rice in Tamil and Chawal in Manipuri, take the required quantity of rice, wash in water, dry in the shade and powder it. For the first method, take 1 cup of black rice flour. This is 200 grams. Add to a mixing bowl. Black rice is rich in fiber and high in antioxidants. To this, add 1/3 cup or 65 grams of whole wheat flour. You can use any measure that you have. The ratio will be 1 part of black rice flour and 1/3 part of wheat flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt and mix all the dry ingredients well. To this, add 1 teaspoon of any cold-pressed oil. Mix and rub the flour so that all the crumbs get coated with the oil. I have taken 170 ml of water. Add half of the water and mix. Keep adding water and mixing as and when required until it reaches a dough-like consistency and you're able to roll it. The important part here is that the dough should not be hard or crumbly and the water content should be such that it does not stick to the fingers. I have approximately added 85 ml of water. Again, the water requirement will vary depending on the nature of flour and type of rice. Now close with the lid and allow to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. For the second method, to a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of black rice flour. Black rice has got anti-inflammatory properties and is gluten-free. This is a gluten-free preparation as only rice flour is going to be used in this. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of melted ghee. You can also add oil instead of ghee. Mix well so that the flour gets coated evenly with the ghee. I have heated some water here. The water should be warm and not very hot. When bubbles start appearing, switch off the stove. Add half of the water and mix. Keep adding water little by little until you get a proper dough-like consistency. I have added approximately 100 ml of water. Again, the water ratio varies from flour to flour. Close and set aside for 15 minutes. To a kadai, add any cold-pressed oil. Switch on the stove. To prepare the puris, to which a little bit of wheat flour is added, take a small portion of the dough and roll into even-sized rounds. Apply some oil to the rolling area. Place the shaped dough and roll into even-sized rounds. You can also sprinkle some flour instead of smearing oil. I prefer using oil as when you fry the puris, it keeps the oil residue free. The rolled puri dough should neither be too thin nor too thick. The oil is hot now. Add the puris one by one. Keep adding oil from the sides onto the puri. Alternately, gently press it down in the oil until it puffs up. Turn it to the other side. Fry for a minute. And remove. To prepare puris from the dough made with only rice flour, apply oil to a butter paper. Place the rounded dough, flatten slightly with your hand. Place one more sheet of butter paper to which oil has been applied on the inner portion. Now, using a small plate, gently press the dough so that it evens out on all sides. If you have a puri or chapati press, you can use that too. Remove from the butter paper and add to the hot oil. If the oil is too hot, the puris will get burnt, and if not heated properly, they will not puff up. Once the puri puffs up, turn, fry on the other side and remove. Simple, easy to prepare. Enjoy these hot and delicious puris with any accompaniment of your choice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching the video, press the like button and subscribe to keep posted on more such interesting recipes. Would love to hear from you.